If you're looking for a watch storage box, then this Redeer 12-slot PU leather watch box display case could be the solution for you. Now the first impression, this looks like a very high quality and feels high quality with a soft touch feeling, and the glass is crystal clear with zero distortion. The glass helps you protect your watches and jewelry, and also gives you a clear display to see what watches you have in the case. Each compartment is provided with soft pillows, and they're removable that can protect your watches from scratch or friction. The pillow sizes are 2.8 by 1.8 times 1.3 inch. It has a handsome metal bucket which just complements the box and the styles, which the large white stitching on the outside just makes it a classic looking case. The large storage space compartments is 3.5 by 2.3 by 1.6 inches. Every compartment has the removable pillow. I like the fact that on the rear of the box there is no unsightly hinge. It's on the inside, making a nice, smooth, non-cluttered look. The case comes in at 2.65 pounds empty. Its total dimensions are 12.99 times 8.18 times 3.14 inches. Comes with a 2-year warranty, and it is one of the top sellers. So this box works well with my budget watch collection, which makes them look like high-end watches. And to me, the feeling of grabbing one of my favorite watches from the box is the feeling as if I'm grabbing a Rolex. So treat yourself to a nice box for your watches, no matter what budget you have, and start getting organized and enjoy.